Hello, fellow peers from the Get Interactive Practical Teaching with Technology. In this screencast, I'm going to demonstrate the course I've prepared for the last assignment. The course name is Learn the Arabic Alphabet, and in the first lesson is Arabic Alphabet Part 1. I've embedded like a YouTube video, a Twitter post, and an engaging Padlet wall to make the students engage with their peers, and in the end there's a Twitter poll also. Later on there's a knowledge quiz with a multiple choice question that highlights the most important information that I've learned, another multiple choice question, a matching question, and in the end a true and false question. Then the first assignment came, and there's also a rubric that demonstrates how the assignment gonna be graded, and because it's the first assignment, it's a pretty simple criteria and simple way of grading. As you can see, example words, sentences, meaningful, spelling errors, grammar. And later on there's the Twitter poll that asks the students if they found the rubric, previewing the rubric before the assignment, useful or not. And in the end there's the badge that the students gonna get if they were able to score 15 or higher in their first assignment. And thanks for listening. That was all for my assignment.